Okay, 6 receive expected ship. Put away transaction. Okay. So if you are defined at the inventory arc level as direct, then this process won't appear. Okay. Just directly go to the your defined sub inventory.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So this one same thing, and create print movement request. This is not a so procurement foundation, configure requisition business unit. Okay. Default deliver to organization. Deliver to organization is which one? I'm giving 6002. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Procurement, this is for purchase order. Okay.
Okay.
Before slide was requisition, purchase requisition. Okay. This is for
Okay.
operation, means all the is applicable for all the organization. Okay. So no issue. So now we have to check any approval is there or not. Okay.
Okay.
If you are creating purchase requisition, if approval will go to someone, so how are we going to check it? Okay. Approval management, all task. So if any requisition approval is there or not, how are we going to see? Manage requisition approvals. So here they enable one approvals. Okay. This functionality is working now. So if the green tick mark is there, means this functionality is working currently. Okay.
Okay.
So what rules they are given? Edit rules. Requisition BU is equal to business unit requisition amount less than or equal to 10. So requisition BU, if the what they have defined is, if the requisition BU is US1 business unit or requisition amount less than or equal to 10.
Okay.
So what I will do, I will delete this only. I'm giving this thing. Okay.
Okay.
And ayyo. Okay, just we'll add the condition here. Okay, newly attribute requisition task attribute. Okay,
Okay.
here requisition BU. Requisition BU. So what I'm defining is, if I'm using this BU, it will get automatically approved. So equal to This and all you are familiar with that, right? Technical terms.
Yes.
Equal to, so which value? US1 business unit.
Which means the requisition BU and US BU, which are same only, right? So the requisition BU also US business unit
Yes.
and the
If the
value.
requisition BU is US1 business unit, then it goes for automatical approval. How do we set
Okay.
this? Just add action, automatic, okay,
Okay.
approved. If you want to reject means you just reject. Now we are giving approved. Then okay. I'm not giving okay because it's already some people define here. Okay.
Okay.
Once you define this, I will teach you separate class for this. Okay. Deploy. So once you configure this, just deploy
Where is the deploy button? Okay. Okay, in the
this
top.
here,
Okay, okay.
top on. That's it. Okay. So if you are creating
Okay.
new rules or something medium of like that, here also you have to do deploy. Okay. I have edited
Okay.
already existing one, but that is why it's not showing deploy button. Or else you have to do two times. There one deploy and here also one deploy. Okay. So that's it. Then purchase document approval. Purchase creation is there, right?
Mm.
So any approval is there, we need to check. See, they have enabled this. We need to edit this rule. What rule they have given? They are not giving any rules in that. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to give, you can give. This is a rule name. If you are creating new rule, you can create it here. Okay. So it's set. They have set it for automatic approval. So no need to worry about that. Okay.
Okay.
So now what we should do? Go to here. Manage sub inventory and locator. Just a minute. Warehouse. Okay, here 6002. I need a material from 6002. Okay.
Okay.
So which one I want the material in stores. Manage item sub inventory. So already two things is defined here. I'm just deleting this. Okay. I'm creating new rule. Abhi min max. Minimax planning. Here I'm giving already 20 quantities there. Okay. So what I will do, minimum is 20, maximum is 50. So the reorder level, it will get the quantity, 30 quantity will get, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So here supplier, that's it. Just mention as a supplier. Then save and close. And one more thing in item level, I have defined it. Let me do without item. It will work, or else we'll do go with the item.
ஸோ இந்த மின்மேக்ஸ் பிளானிங்ல வந்துட்டு நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் நம்ம போயிட்டு ஆர்க் லெவல், ஐட்டம் லெவல், சப்ளையர் லெவல்னு மாத்துறதுக்கு இப்ப பிசினஸ் சைட்ல வந்துட்டு இந்த ஐட்டம் சப்ளையர் லெவல் தான் அப்படின்னு அது முன்னாடியே செட் பண்ணி வச்சிருவாங்க. ஸோ அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி அது வந்து
ஆமா,
ஒர்க் ஆயிடும்.
ரெக்குவயர்மெண்ட் எல்லாமே பிசினஸ் ரெக்குவயர்மெண்ட் தான். As a
ஓகே.
functional consultant, you should approach them like this and all option is there. It will be help for you for the help for you to run the transaction. So
ம், ம்,
you cannot go every time and request the material. Okay. So whenever it comes below 20 or something, it will automatically trigger your request to the some other organization or some other sub inventory.
ம்.
So
ஆனா அது
we
சேம்
should
பிசினஸ்ல
approach them.
ஓகே, ஓகே. ஆனா நீங்க சொல்ற டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆர்டர் மூவ்மெண்ட் ரெக்வஸ்ட் வந்து வித்தின் த ஆர்கனைசேஷன், அதாவது அவர் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் அதர்
Yes.
இருந்து வர முடியாது. பட் சப்ளையர் வந்து
Yes, it's
அவருக்கு நம்ம
out of
தேவையில்லைன்னா
our organization. It's a third party.
ஓகே,
So now we are going out from the our company. We are getting the goods from the supplier.
ஓகே.
Only one is there. So sometimes the item. Oh, you don't have the permission to view the item. Someone is done in the. Someone did something in my item. So no issue. We'll unlock this function to the item class. So if it is come like that, what we'll do? What we should do?
there is in read write, that kind of rule is there, so we need to
So we have to root item class and security.
and privileges.
So we have to add our organization, person, November. Sweran. So his name is Sweran. That's why it's showing Sweran like that. Okay.
Okay.
This is user name actually. This is user ID
Okay.
6001. And then I'm going to give access for all the, just search. Just click this, apply. Okay. So same thing. Sorry. Save again plus person number 6002. So yeah. Yeah. See now I'm getting this item. You got it?
Okay.
How to do
Yes,
this?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Specification.
See here, why you remove the planning method? Go to none and play.
Because without we are defined here also it will work sometime. That's why I'm checking. Okay, first we'll check without this define, because we have defined in the sub inventory level, right? So it's
Okay.
not required. For this particular item, I need this kind of functional. Then you can define here. I need
Okay.
for all the item. Okay, but something is a problem in. Okay, no.
I have another question, Abdullah. So, for this kind of supplier min-max planning, for in specification, inventory side, not inventory side, order management side, there is internally transferred one attributes that needs to be yes or no, if this case.
So in that supplier, it won't consider. Okay,
Okay.
something we need to enable for that some kind of transaction. If the internal transfer is enabled, for what purpose we are enabled that, but that we have to make sure. If it is not required for that internal transfer, we are not need to consider whether it's a yes or no. It's not I mean, we no need to consider that.
Okay.
So now to here schedule process. Mm, For all the transaction, min min max report is the one concept. Okay.
Okay.
6002. Mm, okay. Just submit. Mm. So 40 quantities reorder is created. Okay.
Okay.
So where we need to check
Manage items quantity.
quantity. Yeah.
Uh, miscellaneous transaction.
No,
Everything.
requisition, purchase requisition. We have to see whether the requisition is created or not. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Where is procurement? Procurement, purchase requisition.
Okay.
It is in draft. See, entered by Swaran, but this is not our item. B. So here deliver to location Bangalore. What money Bangalore is coming? I think first one. This redwood is getting more confused. I think we are not giving values here. Purchase yes. Road supplier is not required. Purchasable yes. 10 quantity. I think it's correct only. Okay, we will see tomorrow.
Yeah, okay, okay.
I think it will take some time. I don't know which deliver location is somewhat two location is there. Okay, I think we have to define in the org level, item level also. Then only to load.
Okay.
Okay, Abhi, we'll see tomorrow. We'll continue this, huh?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.